Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliancy. So for this week's malware and ransomware, a network attached storage devices are coming under attack. If you have a QNAP device, make sure your firmware has been updated. The current version release is 4.33. This is not the first time QNAP has been a target of hackers. There's an ongoing ransomware campaign that utilizes the eCorax ransomware to encrypt these devices. The Chinese, Iranian, and Russian groups are targeting the 2020 US election. Microsoft has revealed that it has detected a new wave of attacks carried out by these groups. The majority of these attacks have been detected and blocked. These are attacks were targeting people and organizations involved in both the Trump and Biden campaigns. Contra ransomware operators targeted the website of the 4th District Court of Louisiana and published several documents on their leak site as proof. Also, Zoom has increased the security of its platforms by adding two-factor authentication for admins and organizations to help prevent breaches. Hartford, Connecticut schools suffered ransomware, and it delayed the first day of school also. Ransomware attackers have rattled several of the Hartford public schools' internal IT systems, delaying the first day of the new school calendar year. Up-to-date computers and malware protection is your first line of defense in stopping ransomware. Make sure your computers are protected. If you're a business and need help, reach out to us. Have a great, safe week.